Assalamu alaikum. I am Sheikh Kamran Hussain, Assistant Teacher English, Gulbagan Eagle High School, Navaran, Shashajan. Dear students, how are you? I think you are all well by the grace of Almighty Allah, and I am also well. We know very well that we have already been attacked with COVID-19. Due to this, we are taking online class to provide you good things. Today I am going to take a class on degree of class 9 and 10 English second paper. Now let us try to know about degree. Actually, degree is a comparison of adjective. There are three kinds of degree, we know very well that. One is superlative, comparative, and finally positive. You are seeing a chart of degree, and I have made it to understand you degree clearly. Please follow the chart of degree. Here, superlative, comparative, and positive degree. We know that superlative degree is related with the and est adjective. When we will transform the superlative degree into comparative degree, we will take the help of than any other to fulfill the sentence. And when we will transfer the superlative degree into positive degree, we will start the sentence with no other, and we will try to know the rules of degree later. One of the related sentence indicates superlative degree. When you will be turned into comparative degree, we will take then most other, and when it will be turned into positive degree, it will be started with very few. It is mentionable that very few is a word which indicates both noun and verb become plural after the word. And there is a point, than related sentences. Than related sentences indicates only positive degree. When we will turn into the sentence into positive degree, we will have to follow the structure like this. Please follow the structure, dear students. Here, there is a structure, that is, the sentence will be started with last subject of the sentence plus verb plus not less plus positive degree plus as plus first subject. I have mentioned an example. Rohim is better than Kamal. This is a sentence that is than related. This sentence, how do we transform the sentence into positive degree? Let us try to know. Here, the last subject of the sentence is Kamal. Here, the word Kamal I have taken is not less good as Rohim. I think you have understood the sentence clearly. To understand you the degree clearly, I am going to show you some more examples. Please follow these examples. If we understand one sentence, we will understand every sentence of degree. Here, superlative degree January is the coldest month in Bangladesh. Here the sentence which indicates the superlative degree. This is the symptom of superlative degree. Now, let us try to know how to transform the sentence into comparative degree. Subject January is the comparative degree of coldest is colder than any other month in Bangladesh. I think you have understood the sentence clearly. Now, let us try to know how do we transform the sentence into positive degree. এটা করলাম, this is superlative degree, this is comparative, and finally positive. Positive degree will be started with no other, and we will take the last part of superlative degree, that is month in Bangladesh, no other month in Bangladesh, verb is as cold as January. I mean, the sentence have been started with no other, and we have taken the last part of the superlative degree, month in Bangladesh, and then we have taken verb, then we have taken as, then we have taken the positive form of superlative degree, coldest. The positive degree of coldest is cold, then as, and finally we have taken a subject, that is January. We have learned a sentence that is started with the, and now we are going to learn how to transform a sentence which is started with one of the into comparative and positive. Let us try to know. On of the related sentence one of the related sentence structure, let us try to show an example of superlative degree. superlative. April is one of the warmest month in BT, I mean Bangladesh. Comparative. April is warmer than most other months in Bangladesh. Positive degree. Very few months in Bangladesh are as warm as April. Dear student, follow the sentence. Here is a sentence of superlative degree. April is one of the warmest months in Bangladesh. Now, let us try to know about how to transform the sentence into comparative degree. April, then we will have to take verb is. Here we will use is. Then the comparative form of superlative degree. Here superlative degree is warmest and the comparative degree of this word is warmer. Then we will put then most other. Then the next part of the sentence, months in Bangladesh. Then positive degree. We will start the sentence with very few. Then the next part of the sentence. Then plural verb. Then as. Then the positive degree of the word warmest is all. Then as. Then first subjects of the sentence. April. Dear students, I think you have understood the topics clearly, and now the time is for homework. Homework. 20 sentences of 3 degrees. I mean superlative, comparative and positive degrees you will have to follow, and finally write down the 20 sentences in superlative, comparative and positive degrees. Till today, Allah Hafiz. Thank you.